Is there any relation with the hormonal during the pregnancy?
Nothing has been documented as such.
Diethylestrone.
No, that is in vaginal carcinoma as
There are
such.
some studies which has shown that radiation exposure during pregnancy may cause
What right?
any soft tissue sarcoma in general.
Dr. Jha, what you are asking is
Yeah,
that
yeah,
is
I
for
know. That
vaginal
is a-
carcinoma,
That is a very neonate squamous cell.
but that you will not find anymore because that use of diethyl
Yes,
stilbestrol
then-
has stopped since 1970. So the cases have already been documented and only
Nowadays it is very rare.
it is almost rare, this cause.
Now, what are the operation steps you have done? Initially, you have removed the massive radical, all the, including tubes and this.
No,
Yeah,
we
tubes
have
has been
conserved the
removed.
ovaries.
Ovary and
Because of considering her age and there was no involvement of uterus. So it was just a tumor which is arising from the cervix. There was no extension noted in other structures.
Actually, ideally we should have had a frozen section in this case. Because see, we can't make out whether there was any involvement. Actually, there was a gross polypoidal hyperplasia of the endometrium, and we thought that was an extension of the tumor. But since we didn't have any frozen section, benefit of doubt, we thought we'll go in for a second look. We'll remove the ovaries in the second look if there's a positive uterine extension. But since there was no uterine extension, it's good for the patient because she's very young and we have conserved the ovaries, and that's good for her.
clinically, there is any other site whether rhabdomyosarcoma is associated? Any other reports?
The vagina.
Yeah,
cervix,
it is a vagina, and there are many sites where the rhabdomyosarcoma.
orbit and the head and neck parameningeal sites and other extremities. These have been documented.
Bladder is one very common. All mucosa.
Rhabdomyosarcoma is the
Even bile duct also.
myocardium. In
Yes.
neonates, it is a cardiac tumor. So I have gone through this echo of this lady, your patient. This patients also have searched for any regarding the myocardium changes, if there is any relation. But it is in rhabdomyosarcoma is very in early age. Here your patient is around 50. Most of the patients
50
are under
now?
15, 16 year old,
19.
19 years
But cervical rhabdomyosarcoma is more common in this age group.
adolescent.
Yes, not adolescent.
Second decade.
But most of the botrytis are reported in first 5 years
That is
of age.
vaginal.
Yeah. How was the response? VAC, we have gone for VAC probably.
But,
We have not started. We are just procuring the drugs.
What is the survival rate for a young girl in this
So
patient?
actually, sarcoma mortality of cervix, they have a very good prognosis compared to that of vagina. So they have it's around 5 to 35%, but it's much better than the other counterparts. like
How much
vagina.
margin you have taken?
About 3 centimeters.
And margin is 3.
Yes, margin was free. But high mitotic tumor.